Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing with you outsourcing graphic design for special pages, how to avoid looks good but doesn't convert. This is a common dilemma many merchants face after launching their special pages, because the reality is often the page looks great and the design is meticulous, but when you look at the data, conversion isn't happening. You might start to wonder, is it not sophisticated enough? Is the design flawed? But the truth is, most looks good but doesn't convert. Special pages don't have a problem with aesthetics, but with their goals and paths. In this article, I'll explain the most common pitfalls from an outsourcing perspective. The first major misconception: unclear goals for special pages. The most common requests: make an event special page. Make it look atmospheric. Make it look sophisticated overall. But the problem is, a special page isn't a display page, it's a page that exists with a purpose. A special page must first clarify one thing: it's used to drive conversions, promote new products. 1. Accepting ad placements. 2. Strengthening brand awareness. Different goals, completely different page structures. 2. Second major misconception: trying to solve too many problems on one page. Typical example of visually appealing but non-converting pages. Many selling points, many modules, high information density, but users will only feel a bit overwhelmed. The core principle of a special page: not more information, better, but solving only one core decision. All other content serves this decision. 3. Third major misconception: visuals are too showy. What is most easily achieved through outsourcing? Explosive headlines, many decorations, many animations, but the user's attention is drawn away by the design itself. The underlying logic of a conversion-oriented special page. Visuals are auxiliary, not the main focus. If users remember it looks good, not why buy, then conversion is highly unlikely. Fourth major misconception: structure based on intuition, not order, common problems. Tell the brand story first, then the event, and finally the product. The logic is correct, but the order is wrong. Safe structure for a feature page. Give the judgment first, then the reason, and finally the action. Make each step the user scrolls down. Bring them closer to placing an order. Order is more important than the content itself. Fifth major misconception: outsourcing only focuses on visuals, not path. In many outsourcing collaborations, feature pages are treated as a set of beautiful design drafts, but no one cares about where the buttons are placed, how the user moves around, where the user clicks. A truly conversion-oriented feature page must have a clear main button, clear action guidance, restrained distracting elements. A page without a path, no matter how beautiful, is just something to look at. 6. How to request a successful outsourced spread page. If you're outsourcing a spread page, you can directly say, what is the core objective of this page? What should the user do after viewing it? Which screen is the key conversion point? Which content can be omitted? When you clearly state these points, the design won't go astray. A word of truth for those who have created aesthetically pleasing but not converting spread pages. Spread page failures are rarely due to insufficient design effort. More often, it's because design is adding, while conversion requires subtraction. When you dare to delete content and restrain the presentation, conversion will become clearer. In short, to avoid aesthetically pleasing but not converting spread pages when outsourcing graphic design, the key is not how flashy, how elaborate, how complex, but rather clear objectives, clear path, restrained information. When a spread page starts serving only one result, aesthetically pleasing becomes truly useful.